Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Division Resurgence game not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android devices. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first solution is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for the Division Resurgence app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for the Division Resurgence and tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead, launch the Division Resurgence app and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check the Division Resurgence app is working or not. Next fix is to force stop the Division Resurgence app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop, and then again click on force stop to confirm, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear the Division Resurgence app cache and data. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also tap on clear data, but please take a note that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, then tap on delete to confirm, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then tap on software update, and if you find any updates available for your device, then update it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as VPN, Surfshark, Octohide, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, NordVPN, Brave VPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then select different location and then launch the Division Resurgence game and check. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last fix is to reinstall the Division Resurgence app. So tap and hold the Division Resurgence app and then tap on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm, and then just restart your device once. And after your device restart, then open Play Store, tap on search for the Division Resurgence and tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall it. And once the game get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you can do is to check for the Division Resurgence app server status. And if you find that their server status is offline, under maintenance or having any outage, then you have to just wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve the Division Resurgence app not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting issues on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.